Up next is the best game graduating class, and it will be presented by Patricia Preiser from Disney Interactive.
Hey, now that I've exhausted my Swedish, I'll continue in English. First of all, I want to thank you very much for having me here. This is a really exciting competition to take part in. One of the things, I've been making games for 21 years, and innovation and creativity are always still the most exciting thing about making games for me. So thanks for sharing. So the nominees for graduating class are and the winner is Exhaust.
Thank you very much. This is the team that made it, and hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.